this the one that I am carrying? Whose name do they call? Are they calling me? Who I was forgot? All I am, I'm not. Try to be like I know, I know, I know, I know. I am made of three. Which one is really me? What should I see or hear or speak? I don't know.
Bye-bye.
Step into the savannah, let your spirit soar. Under the African sun, where the grasslands meet, guiding through the wilderness, every step's a feat. From the elephant's march to the cheetah's sprint, every moment's a story, every tale's a hint. Oh, the safari rhythms, they call my name. Dancing with the wild in this untamed game. From the rivers to the plains, the journey's wide. The zebras paint the canvas, the giraffes reach high. In the land of the free, where the eagles fly, the hyenas laugh, the rhinos charge. In this vibrant world, the wonders are large. Oh, the safari rhythms, they call my name. Dancing with the wild, the sun-tamed game. From the rivers to the plains, the journey's wide. In the heart of Africa, I'll be your guide. Feel the pulse of the earth. Hear the whispers of the trees. In the land of the wild,
Thank you, sir.
we're forever free. The drums of the savannah, they echo loud. In the rhythm of the wild, we're forever proud. Oh, the safari rhythms, they call my name. Dancing with the wild, this untamed game. From the rivers to the plains, the journey's wide. In the heart of Africa, I'll be your guide. As the sun sets low and the stars take flight, in the heart of Africa, we'll say goodnight.
Ya, kuna Mchina. Leo tuko Mwandiga. Tuko na Mchina, tunamuonesha mandhari ya Mwandiga visi ilivyo, utalii wa Mwandiga. Mwandiga kuna nini? Tunajivunia nini? Hatujivunii uchawi, tunajivunia tuna mandhari nzuri sana Mwandiga. Tuna vijana wachapakazi, tuna vijana wenye uelewa, tuna vijana wanaojitambua kwamba tufanye nini tupatafute kipato. Ndio maana mzungu ameamua kuja kwetu leo Mwandiga kwa niaba ya kuongea na vijana wa Mwandiga. Kakutana na mimi ya Mwandiga.
I'm talking about coming to Mwandiga to at least to enjoy, to relax.
Yeah.
Yes. Welcome Mwandiga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ya, respect kwake brother, nampenda na mkubali. Ya, amenizawadia kamera ya kushutia. Hii hapa kamera ya kushutia kwa sababu nampenda na mkubali, respect kwake. Ya, I'm coming to Mwandiga, from Mwandiga. Me, I'm coming to Kigoma. Ya, hapa ni Kigoma, ameamua anipe na kamera yake. Yeye anashutia sanaa zangu, nampenda na mkubali brother.
Welcome to Mwandiga.
Mwandiga.
Mwandiga. Mwandiga. Mwandiga. Mpaka leo anaongea anasema Mwandiga. Kwa Kiswahili. Kiswahili la.
Mwandiga.
Mwandiga. Mwandiga. Mwandiga.
Yeah.
calls.